Hey Bryce, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I would send you over the screencast. And so here it is. I'm going to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. Then I'm going to go through one of your competitors' sites. And then I'm going to give you 3 ways you can use yourself today for free to start bringing in some more high quality traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out with all of this free information, but often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. But without further ado, let's get into it. And so here I am on the Elevated Wraps homepage. I can definitely tell that you guys spent some time or some money into this. I really like this video playing at the top. Scrolling through here, though, it does look like you guys do some really good work. So I like it a lot. Unfortunately, Google can't really see that. They're just based off of all algorithms and numbers. And so scrolling through here, I'm not seeing a lot of content. And so Google is going to be ranking your website based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content. You want to have a minimum of 1,000 to 2,000 words on this homepage. I did do a word counter search and you currently have 287 words. So I would definitely suggest adding in some more content on here. And when writing that content, you want to make sure that it is quality educational content. Google is going to send out their bots and they are going to crawl through your site and determine whether or not the content on there will help Google's users find the information or the services that they are looking for. And in addition to having the right amount of content, you want to make sure that content is filled with an appropriate amount of high volume buyer intent keywords. And so Google loves information, and you can strategically place the right keywords in your content to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be in front of when people search for them. And so a great example of a keyword right here is car wrap Cincinnati. This keyword brings in 200 searches every single month. So if you were to convert just a few of those into customers, you would be doing really well for just one single keyword. And so up at the top beneath the search bar is where we typically see Google Ads. There are none popping up for me at the moment, but Google Ads can be a really great way to get your name out there, build some brand recognition, particularly while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up or you're trying to take advantage of a hot market. And so right beneath where the ads would typically be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is extremely important. It can produce huge amounts of revenue. In order to make it into one of these top 3 spots, you need to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online directory. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext are all good examples of online directories that people use and trust a lot. And so you want to be on more of those online directories than these 3 businesses are right here. Also, make sure when you are entering your information onto these directories that everything you're putting in is identical down to every last character as it is to the content on your Google business profile page in order for Google to count it as a legitimate citation. And so now I've scrolled down and I've made it to the organic search results. So this should be your main area of focus. It's going to be your best long-term return on investment. Google has come out and said that over 2/3 of people, when they type something into the search bar, they are going to be clicking on one of these organic search results, and they're almost always going to be clicking on one towards the top of the first page. And so this is the first company page that pops up for this keyword. Scrolling through here, we can see that they have a bit more content. I did do a word counter search on them as well. They have 917 words, so it would still be very easy to beat them out with the amount of content that they have. In addition to having good content, in order to rank organically, you want to have a lot of high-powered, relevant backlinks. And so a backlink is just a clickable text from one website to another. It's basically like one website giving a shout out to another website. So you want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high-powered and relevant sites. So, for example, if a local auto body shop were to give you a backlink from their site and they had a powerful site, that would be a great way to bring more power to your site. And so over here, I've hopped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you guys do bring this in-house, I highly recommend it. It is a little pricey. It costs me around $350 a month to use, but it does give me a lot of great information. And so here I just typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and they have 546 backlinks from 207 different domains, and they are ranking organically for 1,500 keywords. So I'm just going to click so we can take a closer look and see which keywords those are. You want to keep an eye out for buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. And so going through here, we can see all the different keywords that they are ranking for, how many people search up that for that keyword every single month, what position they hold for that keyword on Google, and how much traffic it brings them. And so you can go through and see which ones apply to what you do, which ones bring in the most volume, and incorporate the best ones into your content. And so now I want to go back and I want to do the same thing that I just did with their keywords with their backlinks. And so it's telling me that they have 546 backlinks. You don't want to just beat them out with the quantity of backlinks, you want to beat them out with the quality as well. So you can go through here and see which ones have a high DR, domain rating. It goes from 1 to 100. You can click on the high rated ones and see if you can add your site to these different pages. And so you can go through here, you can go through other competitors' backlinks, and then find some on your own as well. And so over here, I have typed in your website into Ahrefs. And so right now, you guys don't have any backlinks from any domains, but you are ranking for 7 different keywords. So let's just take a peek and see which keywords those are. Again, you want buyer intent keywords that are preferably location specific. And so here we can see the first 3 are your own name. So it would be harder for someone to find you if they weren't already looking for you in the first place. But I think if you were to incorporate the 3 things that we talked about into your online marketing plan, you can start to produce a lot of revenue with your site. And so to recap what those were, number 1, more quality educational content with the right keywords. Number 2, more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number 3, you want more high-powered relevant backlinks. And so to go back over here, so right now it's saying that your competitor here gets 444 people on their site organically every month. And so actually Ahrefs can be a little off right here. It can actually be up to 10 times the amount that they're saying, but let's just say that there were 444 different people on their site. If they were to close 25% of those, it'd be around 113 customers every month. Multiply that by 2,500, the cost of an average car wrap job, that would be $282,500. And if you were to factor in a 62.5% profit margin, that would be $176,000 and $176,562.50. So that just gives you a good idea of how lucrative it can be to have a powerful site. So that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and you got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can just email me back or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching and I look forward to speaking with you.